Watch this video and learn how to draw this. Isn't it marvellous? Later in the show, we're all going to sing a song. It'll be jolly good. Is everybody ready? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Oh, hello! Welcome to Artie's show! Today's show's going to be awesome! We're going to draw something really fun together. Are you ready?
This show's about to be bananas.
It's time to start the art. Okay. La 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 la. Do it do 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 do. Have a kiss that rock that rock. Have a do 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 do. La la ya what we go.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing.
Keep watching, because coming up, we're going to have a song. It'll be fun. Well, I think it's time that we took a little break and had a song. Do you think so, little artists? Okay, let's sing a song.
Move, 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 move to the left. Move, 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 move to the right. Stop. Raise your arms.
Turn around.
Wiggle your fingers. Now touch your head. Move, 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 move to the left. Move, 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 move to the right. Stop.
Raise your arms.
Turn around.
Wiggle your fingers.
Now touch your toes. Move, 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 move to the left. Move, 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 move to the right. Stop. Raise your arms.
Turn around.
Wiggle your fingers. Now touch your chin. Move, 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 move to the left. Move, 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 move to the right. Stop.
Raise your arms.
Turn around.
Wiggle your fingers.
Now touch your knees. Move, 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 move to the left. Move, 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 move to the right. Stop. Raise your arms.
Turn around.
Wiggle your fingers. Now touch your shoulders. Move, 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 move to the left. Move, 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 move to the right. Stop.
Raise your arms.
Turn around.
Wiggle your fingers.
Now touch your tummy. Move, 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 move to the left. Move, 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 move to the right. Stop. Now sit down.
That was a really fun song break. Now let's carry on with the drawing.
Artie, you always bring out the best in everyone.
I think this is your best drawing yet.
Wow, this one came out really good. I'm so pleased with it. Okay, there's only one thing to do now. It's time to color it in.
Let's bring this drawing to life with some color.
Oh, wow, it looks so good now it's finished and it's got some colour. I'm really pleased. Yeah.
Colors sparkle and play.
We'll see you guys another day.
Well, that was the most fun ever. We hope you come back and watch our show again. Have an arty day and thank you. Bye-bye.